With temperatures rising outside, a seemingly easy fix is a portable air conditioner. It draws in warm air and exhausts it outside through a hose that connects to your window. Consumer Reports tested 8 from brands including Honeywell, Haier, and Frigidaire. Prices range from $250 to more than $500. Consumer Reports used this special chamber to test their cooling power. The temperature outside is kept at 90 degrees, the humidity at 70%. Inside, each air conditioner is set to 75 degrees. Strings of thermocouples record temperatures throughout the room. The results were disappointing.
None of these units, not even the biggest ones, could get our test chamber below 80 degrees, even after an hour and 40 minutes.
That was true even of the most expensive unit tested, this $550 Honeywell, which promises it cools up to 550 square feet. It struggled to cool the test chamber, which is half that size.
Window air conditioners are much more effective, and they tend to cost less.